Happy New Year's Eve, friends! Today is the very last day of the year.
It's December 31st.
But oh no! The grand clock is stuck! The year starts in cold winter. January is first.
A year is one full trip around the sun.
Look how much we grew this year. Hello, spring.
The middle of the year is hot summer weather.
Autumn leaves are falling down. Whee! The last year for December. Quick, Gina, to the clock. The little hand is for the hour. The big hand is for the minute. Get ready, everyone! Grab your noisemakers! It's almost time! Seven. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Happy New Year! A new year is like a fresh, blank page in a book. I promise to explore new places.
See you next year, which is right now. Ring-a-ling!
Don't miss a single adventure. Subscribe to Kisco Learning today and join our growing family.